Morning, everybody. Ordinarily, on these intros, I try to give you kind of a description of what we're doing today. And I'm going to give you a little bit, but I'm also going to leave you in a little bit of suspense because you're not going to want to miss what we're about to pick through. We had an auction over the weekend, and we actually bought rooms of a place, we'll say. And you can basically, everything in that room is yours. If you want it, take it. If not, leave it, and they're going to donate it. So that's what we did. We won 2 rooms, and we're going to be heading in that direction shortly. But the place where it is and some of the stuff you're not going to want to miss, so stay tuned.
Never took a left. Oh, that cart was a jack of you.
Oh my god. Ew, this looks terrible.
Alright, so we have arrived at this old funeral home behind me. There it is. We bought 2 rooms in an old funeral home full of stuff. It's gonna be awesome. So scary. Up here. Oh my god. I'm actually a little scared. Still has the tag on it. That's awesome. That's amazing. Still with the tag. A little sticky. There it is.
They're not going to leave what is in the room with the chairs.
I don't know.
It's a 9-box RSV.
Look at it. This one doesn't have a tag.
What even is this? Portable for rental.
2 more with tags still on them.
They have tags on this? Sick!
That's unbelievable.
Oh my. Babe, look at these.
We've had those before. This still has a tag on it. Luggage by William. Look at that. Oh.
What's that?
Lacoste. Vintage Lacoste bag. It's insane.
Here,
Oh, yeah.
you know, so hey, you know,
Babe, look.
excellent. See what people,
I saw that yesterday.
This is so sick. This is like so great.
would you mind if I took a picture of this? Hold that
No,
up.
please
Hold that
do.
up. No, hold, get that piece.
Oh, this?
Another piece. Yeah, no, both pieces. Here.
It'll be on YouTube at some point.
That's okay.
These are in like mint condition.
Happy camper. Thank you. Well, again, the Pyrex was over there underneath the cake saver. And I didn't want, we had a deadline.
Yeah.
We had so, you know, see, you could put all kind of nice things. You got to go to this guy's auction.
This is like the best we've ever done. This is amazing.
Third floor. It's really hot in this house.
Yeah, we got one.
If you see this video, that means we made it. Because it's really hot in here. Really, really, really hot in here.
No, this isn't. Look at that right there.
Oh, mess.
I hope it's in there. I didn't touch the box.
Is it in there?
I don't know. I'll find out in a second.
Let's find out right now.
No.
It's not in there.
Bastards. Piece of crap.
Crap.
I didn't even see it in the picture, so it was gonna be like a bonus if we did get it.
Yeah. Revere wear right here. In the
Oh,
box.
Yeah, that's the main reason I put it on the side. Seriously? Styrofoam?
These are all matchbooks.
Matchbook. It's literally a case.
Holidays greetings of matchbooks. That's awesome. How big it is. And use this. The full bed
Yeah.
is what we want.
Yeah. I feel like this is like.
And those chairs. Probably in these chairs. Oh, these are shredded.
Yeah, I feel like we'll probably only take this.
What's that?
I don't know. I have to look.
It's a cooler.
Is it?
Yup.
We only paid $45.
That box might
for
be
this
worth
one,
it.
so. Not too bad.
That's a cooler.
Is it?
I think so. I can't.
Thermistor?
I can't.
I'll still look at it. You just had hands. It goes more upstairs too. There's stairs there. There's another level. Uh-oh, Chemcraft.
No.
I don't even know, like this one, like I said, I really was like.
There's underneath it?
What?
Is that empty? Is that open?
Yeah, it's empty.
There's nothing in it?
I don't think so. These are all funeral
Yeah.
flowers.
No, that's.
I know, but there might be something under it. You gotta look under. Yeah, this is all trash.
I think this is a cooler.
I think it's great.
Regulation duffel bag. Never used. Take it out.
Huh?
I don't care. It's like a sauna in here.
Oh,
I'm literally sweating so bad.
so hard, man.
Look at this.
I mean, what are you gonna do? I'll take 6 boxes.
It's gonna be one of those things.
What? So we're gonna be sorry we didn't take a
Yeah. All right, we're back home, and there's too much for the table, so I'm gonna walk you guys out here into the living room and show you just the randomness that we got here. All the really good stuff is on the table, but there's some vintage matchbooks. They all say Season's Greetings on them, so we got a couple packs of those, and some vintage styrofoam plates. Got a water jug, some silver plated flatware in there, some collectible plates in here, vintage trays and so forth in there. And then we got a regulation duffel bag right here, and a Boy Scouts, vintage Boy Scouts sleeping bag. So there's the randomness. And now to the table. The table is, well, full. It's an awful lot here. So I'm not going to take up too much of your time, but we will go through some of this, or most of this. These are those candelabra, plastic, electric candles that people use. They put a bulb in them and so forth. We got some vintage bowling shoes here. They've been worn, but not much. Got some, got a vintage scale. We got some plaques here. This is like mats for cocktails. Got some old Arc toy animals. These are all like little trays. This is a vintage travel clock radio. Look at that. Pretty cool, huh? And then we got vintage sheets, a whole bunch of them. Some Tupperware. There's a whole bunch of sheets in here, never been opened. Pyrex, vintage Pyrex with the lids.
Yeah.
Look at these.
The blue one is cool.
They're all in really good shape. Look at those. And then some shuttlecocks.
The can was cool.
Oh, from Kmart, 34 cents.
Yeah, that can was cool. Some
And then
vintage.
more sheets back there, down there. We've got some not so creepy dolls. This one's a little creepy because its eyes move all the time.
In really great shape. I don't know what that is. I have to look it up.
She looks like she's having a stroke.
She's fine.
This one, oh dear. And then
I think that's Betsy
we think we got
Wetsy.
another Betsy Wetsy here.
Yeah.
So
I gotta look her up.
this is pretty cool. This is a thermos. You guys saw on the video me grab this. It's got a cork in it. Look at that.
Wow. Oh, it's like really clean in there
Yeah,
still.
super clean.
Economy.
Yeah.
Vacuum bottle.
Really cool old thermos. We got these figurines.
I have no idea.
These are Spirit of 76
What
figurines.
brand is it? Do you know? Do you know?
No.
They're like not broken at all, like surprisingly.
Yeah, they're in really good shape.
It's hard to read that.
Yeah.
We're gonna have to do some
Anyways.
research.
There's a couple lions. One of these is a limited edition. It's a majestic lion. The Hamilton collection.
So look those up.
7,500 of them made. What's in this?
I don't know.
We don't know what's in there?
I don't know what it is.
Well, let's open it.
I don't know what that is. Hold please. I don't these. I don't want them to get broken.
Live unboxing. We don't know.
I don't really
Sarah
know.
doesn't even know what this is.
Well, I opened it briefly, and I was just like, I'm taking it. It was so hot in there. I was getting so
It was very
frustrated.
hot. What is this?
Oh, it's like a travel fluorescent light or something.
It is a portable fluorescent
Yeah,
light.
it looks like it was like never used. So I don't know. I'm gonna look it up.
Just look at those batteries.
Yeah. So I don't know. I have no idea. I'm gonna look this up. It's probably gonna go in my downstairs death pile, for like a rainy day.
Got a
which never
vintage
happens.
Santa candle.
Yeah,
here.
that thing's awesome. That's gonna go with our Hallmark ornaments for Christmas.
Look at that.
It looks really cool and it's in great shape.
And then we're running low on battery here, so I'm gonna have to speed this up a bit.
Speed her up.
Got a whole bag of matchbooks.
Yeah, that might not be.
We've got
That's a tortoiseshell
tortoise.
photo album.
Yep.
Never been used.
We got old vintage wrapping paper, some brass candlesticks, a rowing exerciser. There. Some
That was cool. I just
random
took it.
picture.
I thought that was so awesome.
Wow, that looks like a mob meeting.
It's amazing. So I'm like, I gotta take that.
I got a vintage Pilgrim.
Decoration.
Got a loom, a vintage loom thing. It had been started, but we think it still might have some value.
Yeah.
Got some ashtrays. I tell you guys all the time not to buy ashtrays, and then we bought them. Vintage ponchos.
More sheets in there.
More sheets in there.
Some kind of weird cake mold.
A digital flip clock.
I
That
think
should be
that's
good.
brand new, yeah.
Brand new. Got this. We were real excited about when we saw it upstairs. We thought, oh, that's awesome. And it's
Empty.
empty. But the box by itself is worth like $40.
Yeah. Well, maybe like 25 to 40 pounds. Yeah.
So we got these Schwinn bags.
Those are sick.
Yeah. We got a vintage
Lacoste.
Lacoste duffel bag.
Awesome.
Never been used.
So
How
awesome.
about that? Then we got these awesome things. These are American Airlines
United.
flight bag or United Airlines flight bags from the 60s. Still with the tag. So you guys saw me pick those up. And then this.
I don't know if that's...
It's like a. It seems pretty nice leather bag. It's brand new by Luggage. Luggage by Win. Pretty nice. Got another one of those juice.
Christmas.
things.
I'm saving it for the Christmas stuff.
Okay.
Revere Ware copper bottom kettle in the box, vintage. Just trust me, it's in there.
It's in there. We're running out of battery. And then we got
Awesome
this
quilt.
awesome quilt.
Adam tried to put it back, but why would you? This is beauteous vintage.
Apparently,
I don't know how old this is. I gotta do some research.
And that's it. I'll give you a quick once over here since I know I kind of flew through that. I already did.
Oh.
And yeah, that's it.
Yeah, so much stuff. It was
We paid
so fun.
$246 for all of this, and it was you buy the room, and anything you didn't want, you just leave it there, and that's what we did. So
That is right. We took about half.
we took about half. Yeah.
Maybe not even. Probably about.
All of
Yeah,
this,
maybe.
$246. We should have, I think, like 4 of these items are going to make that back. So no problem. And that's it for this video, guys. If you haven't, click the subscribe button for me. We're getting real close to 900, so we're going to have another giveaway at 900. And then a big one at 1,000, so subscribe if you can. And other than that, if you like this video, give it a thumbs up. I really appreciate it. And that's it for this Sunday video. Thanks so much for watching. Bye.
Good day, sir!